So what's going on, guys, everybody? So today in this video I'm going to recreate the liquid glass effect of Apple in After Effects. So let's open. So let's open After Effects. So let's create a new project and I will import a background, hide options. Where is the background? This is the background. I will upload it, zoom in a little and then make a rectangle on it. Use this. Now select the selection tool, go in roundness and increase the roundness, and now go to layer, new, the adjustment layer. Okay, let's search for CC gloss. Let's search for CC gloss and CC gloss. It's actually CC glass. So let's drag it on the adjustment layer. On surface, select the bumper map to the shape layer 1 and let's increase the displacement. Let's leave the displacement as it is. Let's increase a little height and that's it. Now come here, you will see this small track matte icon. Select this thing and drag it onto this. So this will create the glass effect. If you don't see the track matte, like, let me show you. See, you cannot see the track matte. So what can you do is go to the corner of the hair of your screen. You will see this icon. Press on it. Now the track matte appears. And now just drag it on the shape layer 1. This creates our glass effect. To change the shape of it, select this shape layer and move it where you want. Okay, and if you want to do some changes in the effect, you can go here and do. Let's add light power, something like this. Okay, point light. Let's add the light this side to create a realistic look. We will add the light where it's more white color. I think we should add the light here. This looks good. And increase the light power. The power we will increase, that much shadow will be created on its opposite side. This gives a realistic look. And this is how you can create the glass effect in After Effects of Adobe. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, share the videos with the others. And till then, bye bye.